419 Mindsets of a Scammer. The purpose of this project is to educate people about the numerous methods scammers, fraudsters uses upon their victims, and also to create public awareness about the preventive measures against scams. What is bankruptcy scam? A bankruptcy scam is a type of fraudulent activity in which individuals or companies exploit the legal process of bankruptcy for their own financial gain. Bankruptcy is a legal procedure designed to help individuals or businesses that are unable to pay their debts and seek relief from their financial obligations. However, some individuals or entities may attempt to abuse this process for fraudulent purposes. Types of bankruptcy scam. Bankruptcy scams come in various forms, and scammers continually adapt their tactics to exploit individuals facing financial distress. Here are some common types of bankruptcy scams to be aware of. Phony debt relief services. Fraudulent companies claim to negotiate with creditors on your behalf to lower your debts or prevent bankruptcy. They often charge high fees for these services and provide little or no actual help. Identity theft. Scammers may steal your personal and financial information to file for bankruptcy in your name without your knowledge. This can lead to serious legal and financial consequences. Asset concealment. Some individuals hide or transfer assets before declaring bankruptcy to keep them out of the reach of creditors. This is illegal and can result in the bankruptcy case being dismissed. Multiple filings. Scammers might file for bankruptcy multiple times in different jurisdictions to take advantage of the automatic stay that prevents creditors from taking action against them. This is illegal and can lead to criminal charges. Fraudulent bankruptcy petitions. Individuals may file false or misleading bankruptcy petitions, providing incorrect financial information, understating assets, or inflating debts to manipulate the bankruptcy process. Unlawful debt collection. Scammers may pose as debt collectors and threaten individuals with bankruptcy unless they make immediate payments. They may use aggressive and harassing tactics to scare people into paying them. Bogus bankruptcy forms. Scammers may send individuals official-looking forms or documents related to bankruptcy, requesting personal and financial information. These documents can be used for identity theft or other fraudulent activities. Bankruptcy mills. Some law firms or individuals may specialize in filing a high volume of bankruptcy cases without providing adequate legal representation. This can lead to incomplete or poorly handled bankruptcy filings. Mortgage modification scams. Scammers promise to modify your mortgage to avoid foreclosure as part of a bankruptcy case. They often charge hefty fees and may not deliver on their promises. Student loan debt scams. Scammers claim they can eliminate or significantly reduce your student loan debt through bankruptcy, even though student loans are typically not dischargeable through bankruptcy without meeting specific criteria. How to avoid being a victim of bankruptcy scam. To avoid becoming a victim of a bankruptcy scam, it's important to be vigilant, educate yourself about the bankruptcy process, and exercise caution when dealing with individuals or companies offering financial assistance. Here are some steps you can take to protect yourself. Work with reputable professionals. If you're considering bankruptcy as an option, consult with reputable bankruptcy attorneys and financial advisors. Research their credentials and reputation before hiring them. Avoid working with individuals or firms that promise guaranteed results or charge exorbitant fees up front. Verify information. If you receive communication or offers related to bankruptcy relief, verify the authenticity of the source. Scammers may use official-sounding names to create a sense of legitimacy. Check for contact information, professional licenses, and reviews from legitimate sources. Educate yourself. Understand the basics of bankruptcy laws and procedures in your jurisdiction. This knowledge will help you identify red flags and evaluate the accuracy of information provided by others. Research debt relief companies. If you're considering using a debt relief company, research their reputation, reviews, and history of consumer complaints. The Better Business Bureau and online reviews can provide valuable insights. Avoid unrealistic promises. Be wary of anyone who promises to eliminate all your debts or guarantee a specific outcome. Bankruptcy outcomes depend on your unique financial situation and the decisions of the court. Review documents thoroughly. If you decide to work with a professional, carefully review all documents before signing anything. Make sure you understand the terms and fees involved. Consult multiple professionals. Don't rely on advice from a single source. Consult multiple bankruptcy attorneys or financial advisors to get a well-rounded understanding of your options. Report suspicious activity. If you come across a potential bankruptcy scam or encounter someone offering fraudulent services, report it to your local law enforcement, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and relevant consumer protection agencies. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on common scams and fraud schemes related to bankruptcy by staying informed through reliable news sources and government websites. Conclusion. To avoid falling victim to these bankruptcy scams, exercise caution, do thorough research on any service providers, consult with reputable bankruptcy attorneys, and report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities. Remember that bankruptcy is a legal process overseen by the courts, and it should be approached with honesty and transparency.